He's not too tired.
He's been doing it for like 20 minutes.
No, he hasn't.
I just did it.
Hi.
He's too distracted by you. He won't do it for
Hi.
me.
Where's my laugh?
He won't do it for the camera. You know that.
Caden. He screams instead of laughing. Do you love Daddy? Can we see your teeth? Can you show us your teeth? Ah. Can I see your teeth? I don't think that's working. Is that why you're spitting up everywhere? Caden Man. Hi. Hi, Caden Man. While most children are asleep at 10 o'clock at night, my son is wide awake. Wide awake. Oh my goodness. Hey, Happy Happy. You gonna roll over? What did you find? Caden Man. Hi. Hi. How are you? Are you tired yet? Are you ready to go to sleep yet? Are you ready to go to sleep? Get it all out of your system now. Caden? Where's Caden? Is that your baby from Mimi? Do you love your baby? Can you give your baby a hug? Can you give your baby a kiss? Love your baby? Love your baby. Oh, oh no! It's your baby. Caden Man. Caden Man. Whoa. You gotta hold on to that baby, huh? You are just full of life and energy.